Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, many of the viewers and subscribers ask me that their bougainvillea plants are not blooming. 2 to 3 years back, they used to bloom hugely, but now they have stopped bloom. You can see these are the plants 2 to 3 years old, and they are all the pod bound. Roots are pod bound totally, and they are not blooming at all. So what you have to do? You have come here in Muchisha. This is the nursery of Tapos Kumar Gayan, and the expert nurseryman and the gardeners are doing their job how to get flowers in there. So this is the 12-inch pot, and they are transplanting it in 16-inch pot. This is the, you see, bottom holes are there for drainage of water, and you have to be very careful for taking out the plant from their entire root ball, and you have to remove the most of the roots here. And the soil mixture is 6 months back prepared. So, garden soil, vermicompost, cow dung compost, some of this rice husk, and some litter of poultry. These are kinds of things are mixed here, and after 6 months they are using as a base of the soil. You see how they are preparing, and at the end of the video I'll show you how they are blooming, beautiful blooming, and this is the technique. And the base here, that some of these drainage holes are there, they are covered with some pebbles and some of the broken pieces of earthen pots, so that there should be any base, proper base here. And after that they will be giving around 4 to 5 inch soil layer. They will be giving 4 to 5 inch soil layer, that is mixture soil layer. And after that they will repot the plant, proper removal of this root ball soil, and lots of roots. They are cut off the lots of roots, and they will replant the plant in bigger pot. You see, this is the 16-inch pot, and they are pouring soil in here. And after pouring soil around 4 to 5 inch, they will plant this root ball here. And after that I will show you what fertilizer they are properly using here, and what care they are taking, so that they can get the huge blooms from here. So they are planting here, and now they are filling up the sides of this root ball with this soil mixture that I prepared 6 months back. Now after properly filling up the soil, and they will be applying some fertilizer mix, that I'll tell you what is the actual fertilizer mix they are using here. This is the trick of flowering in this bougainvillea, old bougainvillea. They are filling up, packing up soil here around, and you have to fill up properly, packing up properly, so that there is no air space is there. And after filling up here, around 5 inch is vacant at the upper side and empty at the upper side. Now they are applying fertilizer. You see, this is the special fertilizer. 40% is mustard cake powder, 40% is super phosphate, 10% is muriate of potash, and 10% is NPK Sufola 10-26-26. This is the granular form, and they have mixed it properly, and you can see they have packed and applied at the corner of the pot, sides of the pot, and they are filling it properly, so that no air space is left here, and packing up properly. And then again same soil is covered with this fertilizer, and you see, and I'll tell you what is that caring tips here. And after that you have to water it properly, fully water, and after 4 to 5 days again you have to water. After the soil is totally dried up, then you have to water. So you have to water it very judiciously. And after this is the pact is full, now they are placing it semi-shade area for around 5 to 6 days, and they are watering it properly. And after watering it, keep it in semi-shade area for a couple of days, then you can keep it in full sunlight. This is the watering technique. You have to drench the whole plant and the soil also, and now you can keep. And after 1 month you have to apply same fertilizer. After and in after 15 days you have to trim the extra portions of this stems here, and you have to make proper shape. If you take the proper shape, there will be proper blooming, and there will be proper shape, and the flower will look like the plant will look good. So this is the technique, how trimming, how to make it proper shape of this plant. And after 15 days you will see the whole plant is full of bloom, but you have to keep it in semi-shade area or in full sunlight area. And you see this flowering has started after 1 month, and beautiful bloom. And another month you will see the total is full bloom. So this is the all, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of